Uniswap could see an 8% jump tomorrow per Gov Capital Collector. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. Uniswap has slipped by 7.9% today and is currently hovering around $3.65. We now turn to the analyst predictions. CoinDataFlow projects a decline to $3.48 by March 20, an expected decrease of about 4.7%. CoinPrice forecast puts the target for Uniswap at $3.68, about 0.8% above current value. Traders Union highlights the possibility of approaching $3.828, a potential increase near 4.9%. A different outlook from Gov Capital Collector indicates Uniswap might move higher toward $3.943, roughly 8% higher. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions predicts $4.131 by March 20, a rise of 13.2%. This one gives the best return potential. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decline of 4.7% to a gain of 13.2%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that Crypto Predictions expects the top return with 13.2% jump in value by tomorrow. From all predictions, you could gain between $8 and $132 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, CoinPrice forecast has a 92.9% likelihood of being right. With all 5 forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. Consensus outlook places Uniswap near $3.812, reflecting an upward adjustment about 4.4%. Here's what the details look like. The consensus average implies a 4.4% increase by tomorrow. With that change, your capital could likewise see an increase of 4.4%. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $44 return. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 68.4%. To get the full picture, let's look at the 3-day predictions from analysts. CoinDataFlow expects the chart to tilt downward. According to CoinPrice forecast, the short-term direction points upward. In line with this, meanwhile, Traders Union projects continued growth. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector emphasizes that the short-term picture is tilted higher. Likewise, Crypto Predictions points to further upside potential. Bringing together these perspectives, the consensus suggests that Uniswap may strengthen across the 3-day horizon. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Uniswap could continue trending higher in the near term. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. By the end of the session, the price stood at $3.681. Yesterday showed that only one forecast pointed to the right side of the move. The best aligned prediction with the market came from CoinDataFlow. Now for the details. Only one outlook matched yesterday's daily candle boundaries. And about ROI, only one analyst posted profits while the others showed losses. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Looking at the verified numbers, Gov Capital Collector showed minus 8.5% ROI and $0.422 accuracy. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Uniswap. Uniswap currently shows the highest projected return for tomorrow, 4.4%. For now, Uniswap is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more will follow soon on my website and Telegram channel. Subscribe so you're ready when the next major trend starts forming. Bye for now.